So students, today we will read chapter 4, Money Saved is Money Earned. So let's start this chapter. So quotation is, it is not about how much money you make, it is how much you save. Means it's not important how much money we earn. So it's very important how much money we save. यानी सेव करना जो है इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो टू सेव मनी इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वैल्यू कॉर्नर वर्ड्स, सी दिस वर्ड्स मनी, saving and efficiency. So students, please learn these spellings. So let's start this chapter. This chapter is about a boy named Arpan. So Arpan was the only son of his parents. So his mother loved him very much. She gave him a lot of money to spend. So she gave him lot of money to spend. So thus he became extravagant. Extravagant means बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चीला बन गया, ज़्यादा खर्च करने लगा. Okay. So Arpan's father, Mr. Vikas, was a successful businessman. So he worked very hard and he traveled from one place to another for his business. He loved his son Arpan very much, but he did not like the way he spent his money. यानी उसको जो उसकी मनी स्पेंड करने का तरीका था, he did not like the way. So he wanted to teach his son the value of money. So he wanted him to realize that spending and wasting money are altogether two different things. यानी he told him spending and wasting money are two different things. He wanted Arpan to realize how money had to be earned. यानी वो अर्पण को ये रियलाइज़ कराना चाहते थे कि मनी को अर्न करना कितना मुश्किल है, कैसे मनी अर्न की जाती है. ओके, सो अर्पण, सो वन डे ही आस्क्ड, यानी मिस्टर विकास, हिज फादर, वन डे ही आस्क्ड Arpan, how much you pocket money for a month? So Arpan said it is 100 rupee per month, which make it 25 a week. Why dad? Why dad? Are you planning to increase it? Why you ask? So please do it. If you planning to increase my pocket money, please do it. Because it is just not enough, said Arpan. So Arpan's father said, no, I am not increasing your pocket money. In fact, your mother is giving you more than enough money. So, but I have some other plan for you. So said Mr. Vikas. If that work out, I will increase your pocket money up to 500. So Arpan asked his father patiently, what is the plan, Dad? I want to see you earning 100 rupee this week. So his father said, if you earn 100 rupee in this week, so I will increase your pocket money 500 rupee. So once you have done that, you will get the extra 500. I will promise. I promise you. So Arpan jumped with joy. Arpan was very happy hearing this. 100 rupees is nothing. He thought 100 rupees is nothing. So and it can fetch me so much more every month. क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो ये हर महीने एक छोटी सी रकम है, यानी कि हर महीने में इसे खर्च करता हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा खर्च करता हूँ. सो आफ्टर डैट अर्पन बोरो 100 रुपी नोट फ्रॉम हिज मदर. इसके बाद उसने अपनी मदर से 100 रुपी लिए, बोरो किए, बोरो यानी उधार लिया. ओके, सो एंड वॉकड अप हिज फादर. सो हेयर इज़ 100 रुपी नोट. सो ही सेड, हेयर इज़ 100 रुपी नोट, नाउ प्लीज़ इंक्रीज माई पॉकेट मनी. ही सेड विदाउट इवन लुकिंग एट हिज फादर. यानी उसने अपने पिता की तरफ देखे बिना ही कहा कि अब मेरी पॉकेट मनी इंक्रीज़ करिए. सो हैव यू अर्न इट योर सेल्फ, सेड मिस्टर विकास. मिस्टर विकास आस्क्ड हिज सन, So have you earned it yourself by yourself? Oh yes, replied Arpan. So that's great. So Mr. Vikas threw the 100 rupee note out of the window. So why did you do that? Said Arpan. So anyway, what you did with the money is your wish, but what about my increment? उसने कहा कि आपने बाहर क्यों फेंक दिया नोट, पर फिर भी अगर आपने फेंक दिया, इट इज़ योर विश, बट मेरी इंक्रीमेंट का क्या हुआ? व्हाट अबाउट माई इंक्रीमेंट? अर्पण आस्क्ड इम्पैशनली, यानी उसने बहुत ही अधीर होकर पूछा, यानी उसके अंदर जो धैर्य था वो भी समाप्त हो गया था. सो अर्पण, यू हैव नॉट अर्न दिस मनी, said Mr. Vikas. Mr. Vikas said, Arpan, you have not earned this money. If you earn 100 rupee by yourself, then I will give you 500 rupee. I will increase your pocket money 500 rupee. I will give you one more chance to earn 100 rupee note. So said Mr. Vikas. He was very serious. So Arpan was very sad. Arpan was sad. Arpan said to his friend, how can I earn 100 rupee? So his friend said, can I help you? So my uncle runs a departmental store. So my uncle has a departmental store. You can go and help him in the store for 2 hours after school for a week. So I am sure you can earn 100 rupee in 5 days, because he paid 10 rupee for an hour to his workers. So Kumar suggested.